I'm going to introduce you a new add-on, which could pass any YouTube transcript with one click and summarize the content with ChatGPT. So let's get started. So in the extensions, we need to install the add-on first. So you click Get Add-ons and search Transcript Downloader and click Install. You need to select the account to install the add-on. Here I select my own account. And Google is going to show you the list of permissions that the add-on is going to use. So you need to review all those permissions, and if those looks okay to you, do allow. Okay, the add-on has been added. So let's take a look. Extensions, here we have the transcript downloader, right? If we click the menu, we can see the sidebar is loaded. So in the add-on, there are 3 steps to get the transcript. First, you need to select the transcript language. Here we provide a bunch of language, and hopefully you can find your target language. And by default, the language is English. And in the second step, there are a bunch of configurations. For example, whether you want to add the start time into the transcript, whether you want to do the translation for the transcript, whether you want to empty the document before you download the transcript. So you start from a clean state, and whether you want to summarize with ChatGPT. And step 3, you need to input some keywords and find the video that you want. So here, I will search Biden. As you can see a bunch of videos related with Joe Biden. And for each video, there are 2 options. You could either look at the video by clicking Show Video, or you get the transcript. For example, here, if you click Show Video, it's going to show the video here. There is a advertisement, but if we click Skip, you can see the news here, right? And you can also get the transcript directly. For example, here, if I click Get Transcript, boom, you have the results here. Let's try another one. You have the transcript here. You have the transcript here. As you can see, like the add-on provide a very productive way to download the transcript. You don't need to, open each YouTube video and somehow pass the transcript manually. What you need is actually a Google Doc, and you install the add-on and you do some search, and you will get the transcript, right? So next, let's demonstrate the options that we put here. So at the start time is going to add the video frame start time into the transcript. For example, if we select that, as you can see, the start time is put between each transcript. So another cool feature of this add-on is the translation. So essentially, each transcript, there are multiple language associated with that, but sometimes the target language is not found in the list. For example, one transcript, it only has French as the transcript language, but you want the target language as English. So in that case, you can use the translate into target language thing. right? For example, here, if we search video in French, it's going to show us a bunch of, videos in French, right? If we do the get transcript, oh, this one is actually English. That is actually English, right? So if we do this one, okay, it shows, okay, we couldn't find the target language and the available script language includes French. That means, okay, the transcript only has French. In this case, what you can do is actually enable the translation options, and you can get the transcript again. So this time, as you can see, you can get the transcript, right? Okay, so for example, if we want to try another one, okay, it has been downloaded. So last, so there is a feature that we provided in the add-on called Summarize with ChatGPT, right? So if you click this button, so it has an option to input your ChatGPT key, API key, and if you input that correctly, you should be able to summarize that. For example, if I do this, get the transcript and summarize, here we go. Because we enable the ChatGPT summary, it's going to put the summary in the very beginning. And follow that, there is the full transcript. So it is very useful for the case that you want to quickly understand the content of the video, right? So yeah, I think that's pretty much for this add-on. So please subscribe and try out our add-on if you like it. See you in next video.